my name's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. Today's video is so exciting, you guys. I cannot wait to get into this. This is the most exciting video that I've ever filmed on my channel. To be honest, it doesn't even seem real. It feels weird to even be filming a video like this. I never thought I would be filming a video like this. This is crazy, you guys. I just can't believe it, and you're probably like, come on, just get to it. Today's video, I am going to be doing, I guess, an unboxing of some very special mail that I received. It's not just any mail. YouTube, yes, YouTube, sent me a package. The YouTube headquarters. What? Like, this is crazy. Let me give you guys a little backstory. There's honestly really not much of a backstory other than I received a tweet from YouTube creators, the official account on Twitter. They just tweeted at me and said, hey, we have something we want to send you. Please DM us. I looked into it from the official verified YouTube creators Twitter account, like the YouTube. But then I also received a notification. Well, first I received a notification that they followed me. Then they sent me the tweet. I was shook, first of all, because YouTube creators Twitter has like 6.2 million followers or something, and they only follow like 13 or 1800 people. The grand scheme of how many YouTube content creators there are and how many people watch YouTube or want to become a creator that follow that account, like, that is huge to even be followed by them, and I was shook. So when they sent me a Twitter message or like just a tweet that said, hey, we have something we want to send you, please DM us, I was like so confused, because I was like, oh my gosh, like, how is the biggest social media platform like following me right now, and like why, and like how did they discover me? Like, obviously I create content on their platform, but so do thousands and literally thousands of other creators, and a very high percentage of people that they follow on this Twitter account have 10 times the amount of subscribers that I do. And to be recognized by YouTube, like the YouTube headquarters, as such a small subscriber count is very, very rare. So I searched on YouTube to like some other videos of other creators that have received packages from YouTube other than one of the play button. All of the creators that have received a package from YouTube that have done a video about it at least have, like, again, 10 times the amount of subscribers. To be at such a small subscriber count and be recognized by like the YouTube headquarters is absolutely insane. I have no idea how they discovered me or like what made them want to send me a package out of the millions of other, thousands, hundreds of other creators on YouTube. Like, obviously, again, I know I create content on their platform, like, it's YouTube, duh. But, like, you guys don't understand, like, what a huge deal this is, and I just can't believe it. Like, they know me, they know my name, like, they know my channel, like, it's just so weird. And obviously, I know 38,600 is a lot of subscribers, and I'm very grateful for each and every one of you that have hit that little red subscribe button. But again, in the grand scheme of things, that's still a very small number to be recognized by such a huge corporation. This doesn't even seem real, and I didn't reach out to them. They came to me, which is so crazy. Obviously, I sent them my address, and we chatted, and things like that, and they were like, okay, it will be there soon. They didn't tell me what it was, and then yesterday I received the package by UPS, and it had the YouTube logo on it, as you just saw, and I was like, oh my gosh, I wasn't in a position where I could film like at that very moment, unfortunately, and excitement got the best of me. So I already know what I'm getting, unless there might be a couple other things that I missed. I just wanted to do a first impressions unboxing, but again, the excitement got the best of me, and I just could not wait. But I'm really excited to share with you guys what they sent me, the note that they gave me. This is crazy. Okay, let's get into this. Let's see what YouTube sent me. I'm so grateful. Huge shout out to YouTube for sending me this package. This was so unnecessary, but you have no idea the amount of gratitude and awesomeness that I feel right now to be recognized by you guys and your amazing platform. Like, this platform has given me so much. I don't think people understand the magnitude of it. Again, here it is. Here's the package. I already opened it, so it's a little dismantled, but I tried to put it together. I received a card, and then we'll get into the red wrapping in a minute, and it has a little YouTube sticker on it. This is a handwritten card. So this was, I knew this was legit. Oh my gosh. Oh, it just says Michaela on it, obviously. And then it has a little sticker with the YouTube logo. Oh my gosh. The first thing that caught my eye gifted me a Birchbox 6-month subscription. We'll get into that in a minute. Then we have a handwritten note, and I'll go ahead and read you guys what they wrote. Hey Michaela, what better gift for the unboxing queen than another unboxing subscription service? Your friends at YouTube. Probably think I'm being so dramatic, but like, this is huge. It says your friends at YouTube. They know my name. Like, this is, oh my gosh, this doesn't even seem real. They have clearly seen my videos. They know I do tons of unboxings. So like, that alone is enough. But they sent me more. But let's go ahead and I'll talk about this for a second. So they gifted me a 6-month subscription to Birchbox. It's another beauty subscription service. It is $14 a month for the 6-month subscription. So that's like a really huge value. I'll be talking more about Birchbox in those unboxing videos. Once those start and I receive my first box, I've already redeemed the code so that they could get going on my first box, so I could get started on those for you guys. So I don't know like if this expires. Well, obviously it expires after the 6 months. I didn't know how soon I had to redeem it. Wanted to do it right away, but oh my gosh, and like they knew I didn't have this one yet. Like, this next thing I totally cracked up at because I look absolutely ridiculous, but at the same time, it's so cool. It's a YouTube bucket hat. You best bet I'm putting this on right now. Yeah, only 38,000 subscribers. This seems like I seem so not undeserving. That sounds awful. But like, so, I don't know, like I shouldn't have this yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I look absolute, oh, I put it on backwards. Wait, no I didn't. Like, I look absolutely ridiculous, but here it is. I look like I'm ready to go fishing, and I don't even like to fish. Here's my little YouTube bucket hat. Oh my gosh, how fun is this? This is so fun. Like, I think it's kind of cute. I wasn't sure about it at first, but now that I'm seeing it like on camera, it's kind of cute. Oh my gosh, this seems so unreal to have official YouTube merch. Like, this is wild. You guys don't understand, like, how big YouTube is and how small I am in terms of fish in the pond of creators. Like, this is unreal. The next thing that I received, whoever decided to send me the package and who actually filled the package was probably very different people because they sent me, they've obviously seen my videos. They know my name and they know my social media accounts and stuff. They sent me giant socks, which I'm very appreciative. Don't get me wrong, like this is awesome. Like, I don't know of anybody that YouTube socks, but they're just a little bit large. Still super cool, nonetheless. Super grateful. I just don't know what I'm going to do with these yet. But who has YouTube socks? Like, that's so cool. And then the last thing they sent me is actually super cool as well. And this is YouTube fanny pack. Weird to have official YouTube merch. And I'm probably acting ridiculous, but I'm just in utter disbelief right now. But I've actually been wanting to try a fanny pack. So this is super nice, and it's actually like, it's not very big, but it holds a ton of stuff, which is just what I need. Oh, that is so exciting. This is awesome. I have official YouTube merch. Oh my gosh, this is wild. So there is my YouTube fanny pack. So here is everything that YouTube sent me. I am so blessed and so grateful, so unreal. Like, it does not seem real. And to know that YouTube knows my name, one of the largest corporations, they reached out to me. It's crazy. I just wanted to share with you guys this huge moment in my YouTube career. I know that sounds kind of dramatic, but again, compared to all the fish in the sea of YouTube creators, like, okay, I'm gonna stop now, but huge thank you to YouTube for sending me this package. I cannot wait to try out Birchbox. I've never tried Birchbox, obviously, as you guys know, because you searched my channel and knew that I haven't tried Birchbox. Thank you to YouTube. Thank you, YouTube, everyone at YouTube. You guys are awesome. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for creating this platform that has changed my life forever, and I cannot wait to see our communication in the future and just my relationship with Team YouTube build over the years. Like, this is going to be amazing, and this is hopefully only the start. This is huge to me, and I just want to say thank you, and thank you for taking the time to make me feel so appreciated and totally unnecessary. I feel so appreciated and so recognized by you guys, and I just wanted to say thank you. That's it. You guys get it. But again, thank you YouTube. You guys are amazing. I guess that's it for this video. I just wanted to share with you guys what YouTube sent me, and this, again, a huge moment, very exciting, very rare thing at such a small subscriber count. Again, you guys don't understand, like, you guys watch videos, but I'm more familiar with behind the scenes. I couldn't help but share it with you guys, bring some love to YouTube, and just recognize them for doing this, and I'm very, very grateful, and it's so fun and so exciting. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what YouTube sent me, and leave a comment down below letting YouTube know how awesome you thought this was, if this was awesome, if you thought this was awesome, because I did, but I mean, I might be biased. Thank you to my Fun Size fam for loving and supporting me along the way, and in the super fun journey of YouTube and my brand, and it's amazing. I'm saying the same thing over and over. I'm just super excited and grateful and in disbelief. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video before I drive you guys crazy, but thank you so much for watching. Thank you to YouTube, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, but I doubt it will be this exciting, but I hope you guys stick around. Thank you so much for watching.